The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clinton County in south-central Illinois, southeastern Madison County in south-central Illinois, northeastern St. Clair County in south-central Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 10:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm were located along a line extending from Freeburg to Edwardsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted includes Centralia, Nashville, Germantown, Hoffman, Carlisle, Fairview Heights, Ferguson, Shiloh, and Alton. This includes the following highways. Interstate 56 in Illinois between exits 18 and 34. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Remember, if you hear a thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri, St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois.